Bonjour. We have some sunshine today, but please follow me. I want to show you something in the back garden. Well, first I want to say a very warm bienvenue. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. And I'm going to take you over there to show you what happened in my garden one stormy night 2 nights ago. You remember the dead tree in my back garden? Had 2 trunks, and the other night during a storm the one fell down. You can see. Fortunately, no damage. So now there's only one trunk to come down, and with the sun coming, hopefully the tree feller will be here soon. Well, it's becoming overcast again, so let's go inside. There's something I want to discuss with you. Been trying to do this for a very long time, and that is the obstacles when you move to rural France. Okay, today I'm going to discuss 2 things, 2 obstacles I had to overcome when I moved to rural France from South Africa. And the first one is probably the most important one, and that's the language. Obviously, I didn't do French at school, never did French at all until I came here. So thank goodness for my French neighbors, because they forced me to speak French. They could not understand English at all, and therefore I was forced to learn French. Difficult language, especially changing from Afrikaans to French, not easy at all. And I found the counting unbelievable. You count normally up to 69, 69, and after that it changes. Then it becomes 60 plus 10, 60 plus 11, 70, 71, etc. until you hit 80. And 80 in French is 4 times 20, 80. And after 89 it changes again, and it becomes 4 times 20 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12, etc. 90, 91, etc. So that was one obstacle, and especially in rural France, you do not find English very often. You might find it in the cities, even in Limoges. I seldom hear English, and you need to be able to converse in French. And I'll elaborate on that in another video. But the second thing was that business hours are so different. Most of the businesses close over lunchtime, so you cannot go during lunchtime. I mean, that's the French break. And they enjoy their lunch, and which is a good thing, because that's their main meal of the day. And then of course banks are closed on Mondays, and that's also quite something to get used to. I mean, when I moved here in 2016, even the supermarkets closed over lunchtime. Thank goodness that has changed. But I will elaborate on these things in other videos. But if you do have any questions about rural France or moving to rural France, I've been receiving a lot of emails and comments asking me certain questions. But if you would like to know more or something specific, then please let me know in the comments and I will try and answer them. A bientôt.